Kung Bao from BGT. You're watching Red Screen Ninjas.
Be sure to like our videos and subscribe so that we can make more videos like this. Welcome to this edition of Red Screen Ninja. This is the part 3 of the Oiga, and this is the new machine of Walking Dead from the hit AMC channel on cable. It's a TV show about zombies, if you already don't know already. But this machine is a lot wider than it is taller than this screen-wise compared to your first Walking Dead, and it's not a bad game, and graphics are nice, but it seems to me like some of these TV show games, rarely I ever see anybody jackpot from it. Games of Thrones got high numbers on there, with the $500,000 progressive. But I don't see a lot of people posting stuff on it. Same thing with this. We finally just saw one recently at Riverwind for $38,000. But I don't see a lot of wins from games like these. And if you do have wins from them, post them on our Facebook group page, Red Screen Ninja Slot Chats. That's where all the avid players like ourselves come to check out posts and see each other's winnings. So if you already haven't joined that group page, it's of course free on Facebook, and just go to search and type in Red Screen Ninja Slot Chats and join. Now, moving right along to our last machine. This is the Dollar Storm, almost like Lock and Link. And we started out with $15,000, and each bet was $125.
If we had our own video game, it would be like this.
Oh yeah.
Ninjas, samurai swords. Maybe we should get BGT to make a screen ninja.
What?
Have you won that? No.
No, we're missing one. What is that?
They set it up first. It doesn't get
Ladies and gentlemen, make sure to swing by booth B7 in the southwest corner and check out Sweet Prairie Home and their award-winning fudge. They have over 100 different flavors of fudge, including 2 award-winning fudges.
We're doing $125 bets.
For what? Yeah, $125 max.
They also have coffee. They have 4 flavors that you can try right now at Sweet Prairie Home.
What did I start him off with? 14,000?
I think so.
Yeah, start off with $14,000.
That's what happened with, that's what's happened with
I like to get a bonus on this.
basically happened.
Wow, it's $12.50. Look at that.
No, but there is some things that has to be done to when they get a bigger package. They have to do some things on those licenses.
Nothing. Why is this bonus is so hard to get?
They have a connection to one of the employees, right? They have to put something on the one thing, right? But there's something to do with licensing. But the
I think these are rigged tight on purpose.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They don't have to go through it. That's the big thing.
So this tells you that they do have control of these machines.
$1,600.
won $2,800. So we won $2,800. That's it. You basically won back the money you lost on that bonus.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Let me bring it down to 10. See if it gets anywhere. Oh,
Oh, this is what's good. Oh, you got some good numbers.
lock and link number.
Come on. Good. What? Not numbers. Come on, big number, big number. Top one of the band. Oh, 1875. Wow. Look at that one. That was beautiful. Come on. Darn. That's a pretty good win.
How
Let's
much
see how
is
much. Okay, so basically we went back the money we won. We started off with 14,000. I mean, yeah. Awesome. Okay, keep going.
So we're at 16.
Now
We're
we're
up.
at 16, so we're up 2,000.
That's not bad.
Yeah. I mean, you put enough in, it's gonna pay you back.
Let's see if we're gonna blow it all the way down to 10. It's not that hard to blow $14,000.
Nope, remember I told you that lady sat there at commentate and blew down 13 in like 30 seconds, 30 minutes.
There we go.
Now you're almost back down to your 10,000.
I know. Can you believe it, guys?
Yeah, it really-
$4,000.
it really
Six.
was not
It was $6,000 I just blew.
Yeah,
Oh my goodness.
in like less than 30
Oh
seconds.
my goodness. Let me see how much I can blow on this. Like, we already gave you all your
You
money
just gave
back.
back 6,000 bucks just
Oh.
like that. Oh, yeah.
Wow, it cost me $6,000.
For a free spin.
Alright, let me see how much this free spin.
Oh, you just won $1,300. That's it. Oh, yay. Okay, these are better. That's a mini bonus.
Oh, we hit the mini bonus?
Yeah, 1250.
Wow.
Get it. That's not bad. Oh, you got 25,000. What? Honey, it's a $25,000 chip.
Yeah, hey, we did it.
We did it.
We did it.
We won the big one. Honey, you got a $25,000 chip.
Did it.
Oh my god.
Come on, connect,
See
Jimmy.
this? That's it. Look how much you won. Oh my god. That's a good way.
Come on.
It's like, alright guys. Boom. Boom. Wow. Good job. Wow. Can you feel that? $25,000 chip? $28,500.
I just win ever.
But we still had 12,000 left. Wow.
How much was that? Did we collect?
That's beautiful. $40,000.
Alright, we're good.
Wow.
Next.
Too bad. That's bad, right?